Hello everyone, welcome to part 151 of Laravel 10 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the order placement process and we are working with COD right now. And in the last video we able to place the order, but still we need to show the thanks page after order placement. So let's continue. Let's log in and add the product and go to the card and then place order so that we can show the thanks page. I'm going to log in with one of the account with 200 of yahoo.com, password 123456. Okay, I'm going to log in with this account. See we able to log in or not. See email doesn't exist. With 100 I think, maybe. Yeah, so here you can see three of the products are already there. So we are going to in card and proceed to checkout. Okay, so now we are going to place the COD order. So after the order placement, make sure that this one is selected, and we must check here as well, and then we're going to click on place order. So after place order, the thanks pane must come. Okay, so for that we are going to make some changes. Okay, so we will open the products controller, product controller, in fact product controller, and we'll open the checkout function. And in checkout function, see we are placing the order here, you can see. And here we have printed the order done. Okay, so instead of this thing, we will now return redirect. Okay, we will add the code here, return redirect the user to the thanks page. We are going to send to the user to the thanks page. Okay, so we are going to create the thanks route here. So in web.php file we are going to create the thanks route. Okay, so make sure that we are going to create this route here, inside the middle layer auth in front group, in front okay, in front routes. And here I'm going to add the route order thanks page. So I'm going to create the route like route get thanks, and here then I'm going to add here product controller at the top thanks. So here I'm going to create that thanks function in product controller. Okay, so I'm going to create here the thanks function, public function thanks. So we are going to create this function to show the thanks page after when the order get placed. Okay, so here see, if there is order id in session, make sure that we put the order id in session in. Okay, so that we can check that whether there is the order id. If the order id is there, then we are going to show the thanks page. Otherwise we will redirect the user to the card page. Okay, so if there is no order id in session, then we will redirect the user to the card page. Okay, like this we can simply redirect the user to the card page. And here make sure that we have put in order id. See we are putting order id as a session. Okay, so that's why we will reach here. Okay, inside the if condition. And here one more thing we are going to do, we are going to empty the user card. Once the order get placed, we are going to empty the user card. So we are going to empty the user card here as well. And after that we are going to call that thanks bit file that we are going to create. Okay, but first we are going to empty the user card. Empty the user card, where user id compare to auth user id. Okay, compare it with the auth user id and then delete. Okay, so we are going to delete the user card. And after this then we are going to return view. We are going to create the new blade file, thanks.blade file. Okay, under front, under products folder, we're going to create this thanks.blade file. So this one we're going to create, I'm going to open my project here. Project 10 folder is my project. Okay, then resources, views, front, products. Okay, uh, we can also create orders and then create the thanks blade file inside that. Okay, so it's your wish that you want to create in orders or want to create the thanks blade file here. Okay, uh, we can create the orders folder here, separate orders folder, and there we can create the thanks blade file, and other orders related blade files we will also create inside the orders. Okay, so it's your wish that if you want to create the thanks blade file inside products, then you can also do that. Okay, like we have done in the earlier series, but you can also add the orders folder. That we need to add it because we will also add the orders blade file. Okay, we can also keep this thanks blade file inside the orders folder as well. Okay, so here in Mac we can create the file like this, or we can go inside and here we can create the new file like this as well. And in Windows you can also create the file by going inside the folder. Okay, so here I'm going to create the file with the name, here what name, so we will give the thanks. Okay, thanks blade file. Okay, so I'm going to add here thanks.blade.php. Okay, we'll save. Okay, we can use txt, and after that we can rename it to php like this. Okay, use php. Okay, thanks.blade.php file we have added inside the orders folder. And now I will change here front dot orders, and inside orders thanks. Fine, now I'm going to bring it here. Here I'm going to add its layout like the front content, and that we can copy from some other blade file. Okay, and we will end section as well. So middle part we are going to copy one of the page from our HTML template that you have got in the beginning of this series. So this is the HTML template, and okay, so here I'm going to check, see, I'm going to pick this about.html because I think it will be a good choice for the thanks page. See, about.html page. So I'm going to convert it to the thanks page. Okay, so I'm going to pick this one. So I'm going to pick, okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring that about.html here and going to copy the middle content of this one. Copy it carefully, this middle part I am going to copy and will paste it here. So after that I'm going to make some changes here. Okay, in this file I'm going to convert it to the thanks page. Okay, and for that see home, here I'm going to add thanks, then go down, and here we are going to add your order has been successfully played, or has been placed successfully. Okay, and here instead of this one we are going to write here your order id is, here we are going to show that id that we are putting in session variable, here order id, and grand total is INR, and that also we have put it in session variable in the checkout function. Okay, so here we're going to add get grand total, And here also in this link we can add here continue shopping link, and we'll redirect the user to the home page. Okay, so here we are going to add the, or we can give any URL that we want, and we can send the user to there. Okay, so like this. So now we will try and we will check that whether this thanks pair is coming correctly or not. Okay, so I'm going to place one order to check whether the thanks pair is coming or not. Okay, so here I'm going to click on place order. Let's see. See, thanks Perry is coming here. Thanks, and your order has been placed successfully. Your order ID is 2, and grand total is INR 1815. So it's fine. We able to place the order correctly, and the thanks page is also showing, and it's fine. It is looking fine. Okay, so I am going to check in the in localhost my admin just to check that whether the details order and order product details are coming correctly. Okay, so in project 10 this is our project folder, sorry, project database, and here I'm going to check the orders table once. See, the entry has come up. Okay, so everything seems to be fine, and we're going to check the order products as well. Yes, 3 items are here, so it's fine as well. So it seems to be fine. We have got the complete order details in our orders tables, and now in the next video we are going to show the order details in my account. Okay, in my account we will show the order details here. See, still it is pending. We are going to show the order list here in my account. Okay, so that user can check his orders anytime. So please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.